in there. You can see here that there's the width of our range. This will all be drawn back. So we didn't quite, I don't think we left enough, but we could. So that's plenty. I mean, for our purposes, we might want to try for yours. Leave 1.5 inches. Because you'll have a little longer, you'll have a little more meat for the jaw, okay?
So you originally wanted 1.25 inches.
I originally wanted 1.25 inches, but